Hello, my name is Alex, and today I start my set of tennis lessons for beginners. The first lesson will be on the main question that beginners always ask me. With what I'm gonna start? Of course, at first you need equipment. And the most important equipment that you need to have is a racket. So, today's lesson will be how to choose a racket. So, there's just a lot of types of racket. I'm going to just show a couple of them. For example, this is a lot of brands, a lot of types of racket, head sizes, weight, grip sizes, everything. Everybody can be confused. Of course, you can try as much racket as you can, but it's not gonna help you. So it's better to listen to some recommendation. Sometimes if you go to the shop, people really don't know what they need at first, and employees, they don't know what you need really. Sometimes they just want to sell you the expensive one. So this is at first, this is difference in brands. Each brand has the different style of racket. This is three main brands in the world: Head Racket, Babolat Racket, and Wilson Racket. This is three types. What's the difference? The difference at first in style of racket and the style that you're playing. I know it's gonna be really confused because you're just a beginner, so you really don't need to know this specific detail stuff. But really, if you go further and you will play tennis longer, you will understand this more. So the difference between brands at first, let's take a look about Head rackets and Babolat rackets. This is the two types. Head rackets is the tightest one, the heaviest one and tightest one in the world that everybody can say. Of course it depends on model, but usually it's like this, if you will try. The Babolat ones, they are one of the softest ones. So, if you need some soft feeling, that ball is flying, that you need some power on your hit, it's better to choose Babolat racket. And there is something in the middle. It's a Wilson racket. It's have some power, not so heavy, and it's completely in the middle between this. So, if you want to be more aggressive player, or you like the aggressive style of player, you should choose, I will recommend you a Head racket. If you want to keep the ball and play as much as you can, it's better to play with Babolat racket. If you like to do both, so it's better to choose Wilson one. So what the difference in the rackets of, for example, Head and Wilson, and when you go into some shop, you see a lot of types of rackets. So difference usually in the string pattern, grip size, weight, balance. It's really hard stuff. But at first that I recommend to look at, it's the weight. Weight of the racket is really important. If you don't know that racket is not heavy, it's okay with you. For example, 300 racket is the optimal for beginner. You can go 300 or less. Because I not recommend you to take a heavy racket like 310 grams, 20, 330 grams. So it's gonna be heavy, and you can hit your elbow. So I recommend you a racket at first with not so much weight, and the second that you need to know, if you like this racket, you need to take it, not because of that somebody recommend you. If you take it and you feel that it's yours, it's better to take yours, but try to find some type of racket that is not so heavy at first. The second one, it's a grip. There is a different size of grips. It's usually says in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So how to choose it? If you take a racket, if you hold it, there is some space between your finger and wrist. If you put 2 fingers, it's optimal for you. It's optimum grip for you. But if you feel okay, it's good for you. So that was my first short tennis lesson, how to start to play tennis, how to choose a racket. Thank you.